welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to share today's video. So you might know HUANUO for their bestseller monitor arm mounts, but today we are checking out their new laptop stand, the Magno ModuleMaster Laptop Stand. We'll be unboxing it together, testing it out, and sharing my thoughts. Thank you to HUANUO for sponsoring today's video. I'm excited to share this laptop stand because you can use it in multiple ways. There are 3 pieces to the set, and you can choose between 4 colors. I will also be sharing how you can use it in multiple ways after the unboxing. Okay, so now we switched it to voiceover, just sharing a little bit of the product box for you guys. So when you take it out, this is what you get, and then you have some instructions, and you have this travel pouch that you can use to travel with. So here's an overview of everything you get. There is 4 items in total. There are 3 boards in total, and in the back you have your wrist pad, which you can also use as is if you want, but this is how it looks. It's actually pretty sturdy. Other than the main board, you have 2 stands. There is the phone stand, which is this one right here, and then you have the main stand, which is for your laptop or iPad. I'm just trying different ways and you can use it. So here I am testing it out, putting it back together, see how it looks, and then adding the wrist pad. That would be the perfect lap mode that you can use. And then I'm testing out other ways you can use it and trying to put it in the travel case to see how it looks. And that's pretty much it for the little unboxing. I also got the pink one. I asked them to send me the pink one so I can show you guys the color. It is this very light, almost like coral pink color. It's more in a warmer tone, but this is how it looks like. It also has the wrist pad, which is the same color in this dark gray. But yeah. One thing I want to mention is that when they did share the product brief, the wrist pad should be matching the color of the set. But for the 2 sets that I got in the pink and the light gray, both sets have a dark gray wrist pad. So that's something I wanted to mention for you guys. Okay, so a little update here. I'm editing the video and I did end up emailing them about the wrist pad, if that the color of the wrist pad is going to be different than the color of the set. And they did confirm to me that yes, they did change it to just having dark gray for the wrist pad, which in my opinion, when I saw the brief about it matching, I thought that was really cool and really unique and it would match everything perfectly. But I understand why they end up changing it to this. Maybe it's harder to get the color that they want, especially when they're trying to match this kind of like material with the other material. But other than that, I just wanted to note that to you guys, and I found out the answer about that. But yeah, if only it was matching, it would be perfect. Totally get it if the brand has to change things based on the production stuff. But that's a little update about that. I tested out 2 of my favorite ways to using the laptop stand. One of my favorite ways is using it while you're working on a sofa or on a chair. So what you do is you put the wrist pad on the bottom so that it can sit on your lap. This is perfect when I want to do a little bit of work on the sofa while watching TV, or if I'm at the gate at the airport sitting and waiting for my flight. The other way is to use it as a laptop stand on a table or a desk. Basically, you put the stand underneath the main board, and there's also this lip here that you can hold your laptop. I have put my laptop on without the lip and it stays pretty well, but if you want to be safe, you can just put it on this lip. Other ways you can use this laptop stand is to prop your iPad, whether you're drawing or you're trying to work on it. Probably won't bring this for my iPad, but unless I have my iPad and my laptop, then it's perfect that I can use it for both. You can also use it as a workstation to prop up your phone, your AirPods, and your iPad. It's actually pretty cool if you want to see everything at a glance. The Magno ModuleMaster Laptop Stand is perfect for those that either travel a lot or work mobile a lot. It would definitely help with posture, especially if you're working for long periods of time and traveling a lot. There's so many ways that you can use it, so whatever scenario you're at, you are ready to go. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll make sure to link the Magno ModuleMaster Laptop Stand in the description down below if you're interested. I'm excited to be adding this to my travel must-haves, and I definitely will be sharing this with the hubby. He probably needs it more than I do since he does a lot of business trips in the year. And thank you HUANUO again for sponsoring today's video. Let me know your thoughts about this, and don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Told you what I want, but words don't seem to